Monday.com has made us so much more efficient. We've saved about 20% of our engineers' time that they used to apply to tracking all of the data that we collect across the factory, which is massive. That's a big savings for our team. Nissan Canton Vehicle Assembly Plant has a capacity to produce over 400,000 vehicles per year. Right now we produce the Altima sedan, the Frontier, the Titan, and the Titan XD pickup trucks. Nissan's regional facilities team is in charge of the facility here in Canton, Mississippi, and 2 other facilities in Tennessee. In addition, there are 74 more buildings across the U.S. and Canada that my team is responsible for. Each year, Nissan uses a process called Hoshin Kanri to do our annual objectives planning. This is where the strategies and objectives are flowed down all the way from the very top through each level of the organization and into my level. In the past, we had a paper document that would be plastered on the wall, try to manage it week by week by keeping track of each individual activity based on a schedule that we're going to accomplish through the year. Having the responsibility for so many locations across the US and Canada, it was very difficult to keep track of everything that was going on. Trying to communicate statuses of each of these individual activities was a process where we took the paper and translated it into an Excel file and try and manage it that way. So we said we have to have some type of a digital process to make sure that we were having accurate information flow. Now, we're using this wonderful platform, monday.com, for our annual objectives planning and tracking and to communicate across the region. So the flow down of the annual objectives planning incorporates elements of quality, safety, delivery, people, and environmental compliance. We built our annual objectives planning board. We put all of the individual activities across 4 manufacturing plants into the board. A meeting can be as simple as pulling up the monday.com board and touching each element, each activity as they go. It cuts meeting time from an hour plus down to maybe 20 minutes. That's a big savings for our team. We discovered the ability to access monday.com from your smartphone. This was earth-changing. In fact, there was one process that we go through on a regular basis where our director comes out to review the status of certain projects. So he basically said, I need to know the statuses of these other projects. Go see and report back to me. And I said, wait a minute. And I got my smartphone out and I pulled up monday.com and I was able to access the status of those projects right then and there. His reaction was, oh, okay, thank you. And he left, happy and satisfied. So it was thrilling. It was thrilling to all of us, and it basically validated the use of the platform across the factory. I take a lot of pride, and personal pride and group pride as well, in being a part of the foundational implementation of monday.com at Nissan.